How to enable Ultimate Performance Mode in Windows 11. This tutorial shows you how to unlock the hidden power plan for maximum processing power. First, right-click the Start button and select Terminal Admin or PowerShell Admin from the menu. After that, a window will open asking if you want to allow the app to make changes. Click Yes to proceed. From here, copy and paste the following command into the window and press Enter. You can pause the video here or find it in the description below. Power CFG/duplicate scheme E9A428D-5D-448D-003F14749 Following this, once the command runs successfully, press Windows key plus R to open the Run dialog. After that, type Control Panel and hit Enter. From there, go to Hardware and Sound, then click on Power Options. At this point, click Show Additional Plans to expand the list, and you'll now see Ultimate Performance appear as a new option. From here, select it to make it your active power plan, and you're done. Keep in mind that this plan prevents your hardware from entering low power states, so it will increase electricity usage. It's best suited for demanding tasks like video editing, 3D rendering, or heavy gaming rather than everyday browsing. If you're on a laptop, make sure it stays plugged in since this plan drains battery very quickly. That's how you enable Ultimate Performance Mode in Windows. If this was helpful, give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and tap the bell so you never miss an upload. See you then!